Hey everyone, Karan here, and today let's go ahead and check out one of the best, features, or I would say one of the most interesting features of MakeForms, which won't require to have an external email marketing tool, but it will do the job and it will do it in an amazing manner, right? So today we are going to explore that, and it's going to be fun. Okay, so it's about creating campaigns inside MakeForms. Now, what does it mean, right? What does a campaign mean? Okay, so a campaign means you can go ahead, choose the form which you have created inside MakeForms, upload an email list of individuals with names, first name, last name, and an email, and then go ahead and send a campaign to everyone, and then they can complete the form from the email itself. They don't need to go to an external link. They don't need to go ahead and click on any link and have extra hassles. But hey, you're getting it on email. You just enter your name, email, whatever stuff you have sent inside that form. They can fill it up and they can submit right inside the email. So how good is that? Like, you are making the job of individuals to fill out the form easier, and even making sure that you collect responses way faster than you can imagine, right? So let's go ahead, create a campaign, fill out the form which arrives to our email, and then come back and see if if that particular campaign was sent, what's the status, what's the report, and how many response we get. Of course we get one response, but let's see the data, right? It's going to be interesting. So let's go ahead and click on create campaigns. Okay, all right, so first step is to name your campaign. So we would say form collection mental health instructor. Okay, and after that I'll click on this particular drop down where you need to select the form which you are required to send via email. Okay, so I'll click on mental health instructor form, which we created in our old tutorials. You can go ahead and watch that. And then we'll go ahead and upload our contacts file. Now you're already given a sample CSV, so you can download the format, fill in all the emails, and then upload it back. So that's what we have done. Alright, so I'll click on my downloads, and I will take this file in which I just have one email because it's just for test purposes. You can have thousands of emails, that's not much of a worry. Okay, so we'll go ahead and upload the CSV file over here, and then you would get the message that the file has been uploaded successfully. If you're importing the file in a separate CSV format, it will let you know that it's not the right format. So always make sure you download the sample CSV and then replace all the emails and then upload it again. Okay, so now we go ahead and click next, and it will show you the entries, right? So for example, it's my name, it's my last name, and it's my email ID. Okay, so I can then go ahead and click on next because I can see that this is what I filled up inside my CSV file. I go ahead and click on next, and then this is the interesting part. You can write and let people know that what's the extra message. For example, you can write the whole email. Hi there, please find the form to be filled out so we can arrange a mental health instructor. Okay, so you can, this is a editor, text editor. You can have media, you can have a table, an image. You can even make it bold, right? Make it italic, insert a link, stuff like that, or even have certain bullet points. Decrease the intent, increase the intent, undo whatever you wrote. All right, so you can go ahead and click on next, and here you kind of have your name, subject line, and pre-header text. Right, so we can say from mental health institute, important, fill out the form, say healthy mental, just whatever we are. So that's how it will kind of be showcased inside the email when it arrives. So I'll go ahead and I'll click on schedule campaign. Okay. Voila. So we have the campaign and it has been scheduled. All right. So I'll go ahead and click on view status. And now it says it's sent. So let me go and check my email address. And I should find the form. Yep. There you go. It has come in. So I have my mental health institute sent out a form which I need to fill out. Now here's the magic. All right, I can fill out the form in this email itself. I don't need to go anywhere. So let's see. Okay, the address I would say Bangalore, India, and email, and I'll click on submit. Okay, and thank you. Your response has been submitted successfully. I love this. You remember this the text which you wrote? It is over there now. Wow. I mean, just you don't need to click anywhere. Just fill out the form and you're done. All right. So now we'll go back to our status and refresh our campaigns section, and here you see, right, number of opens and responses. So I was the only one who opened it, and I was the only one who responded. All right, you can see the time and the form name and then the title. And in the reporting you can see the total opens, unique opens, responses, right? And then you can see the data over here, and then you can even export it as CSV if you need to do any email marketing or have to add them to any specific stuff. All right, so once you get that, you can go in the export queue and download your report CSV file. Okay, so that's how the campaigns work inside it and how you can set up one campaign for yourself. And go ahead, try it out, and let us know if you face any issues. We are here to kind of solve it out for you. And if you haven't grabbed the codes for your Rocket Hub entity for MakeForms, go ahead and do that right now. We look forward to another tutorial, and thank you so much. See you. Bye bye.